In this video, we are going to go over the patient quick entry function in Medisoft patient accounting. Some offices only use a few select fields when entering new patients, and patient quick entry allows you to view and pre-populate the patient and case fields you want. There are two places in Medisoft you can go to open patient quick entry. The first is the icon on the toolbar next to the patient list button, and the second is under the Activities tab right below Quick Balance. Now that we have opened Patient Quick Entry, we're going to want to first select an entry template. For this training video, we are going to choose the Medicare patient template that we have created. Now we need to select an assigned provider for this case, followed by a brief description of the purpose of this patient's new case that will be created. The guarantor field can be left blank here as the system will pre-populate this for us. Now we can fill out the patient first and last name and select a primary insurance carrier, which per this patient template should correspond with Medicare. Now that we have finished filling out these fields here, we can go ahead and save this new patient and case. And if we open up our patient list over here, we can see that our new patient has been created, as well as the patient's case and all of the fields that we filled out in the patient quick entry screen.
Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. Let us know if you have future video suggestions. And as always, call us with any of your Medisoft needs. We'll be happy to help.